So in today's video on Ghana's developmental journey, I'll be bringing you an amazing development, rather unexpected one. The United States of America has just donated over $1 million worth of military equipment to Ghana's army, and this is rather unprecedented. The gear donated is specifically made for women, as the equipment is mainly women's body armor. It is designed to empower the female peacekeepers that are coming from Ghana. The donation was also not just about the transfer of gear, as it's a symbol of Ghana's ascending role in regional and global security. It's a testament to the robust US-Ghana military relations and how Ghana's military is improving over the years. Because this isn't just the first donation, it is the second of such magnitude within a span of months. As Ghana's military forces continue to modernize and expand their influence, this initiative also highlights how such collaborations are propelling the nation forward. So join me today as I delve into the details of this over $1 million worth of equipment and the broader context of Ghana's military rise. Let's get right into it. The handover ceremony of this $1 million worth of equipment was a rather momentous one, as Charles Fair Olsen of the United States joined Ghana's Major General Lawrence Bentenu, Chief of Army Staff of Ghana's Armed Forces. It was an official handover of this equipment. The event was held recently, and it celebrated not just the donation, but also the shared commitment to peacekeeping and the gender empowerment in the military. The mutual respect and forward-looking optimism on both sides emphasized the importance of equipping Ghana's forces for the challenges ahead. The handover also underscored the practical ways in which the United States is supporting Ghana's military evolution, ensuring that the personnel are better protected and more effective on the ground. The over $1 million worth of equipment donated consists highly quality body armor that's specifically designed for female military personnel. It addresses the critical need for gears that don't fit properly and enhance performance of female soldiers in the country. Unlike the traditional equipment, which are modeled for male physiques, this armor prioritizes comfort, mobility, and superior protection, allowing Ghana's women in military to operate at their best in demanding environments. This move is particularly timely as Ghana is increasing the integration of women into the armed forces. It reflects a broader push towards inclusivity and operational excellence, and by providing this specialized gear to women, the US military is directly contributing to safety and effectiveness of Ghana's peacekeepers, who are renowned for their contributions to stability across Africa and beyond. Ghana plays a pivotal role in peacekeeping around the world, not just in Africa. As Ghana's armed forces are also experiencing a remarkable ascent, it is marked by a significant investment and strategic advancement. In July 2025, the defense minister in Ghana announced an ambitious $1 billion retooling plan for the military, encompassing new assets like unmanned aerial vehicles and enhanced ground capabilities. Also, the initiative is a part of a 3.5-year vision to modernize forces, ensuring that they are equipped to handle contemporary security threats. Additionally, starting in August 2025, Ghana has introduced mandatory military training for national personnel, a step aimed at building a more resilient and prepared citizenry. These developments highlight Ghana's proactive approach to strengthen its defense posture, positioning the nation as a key player in West Africa's security dynamics. Beyond this $1 million worth of equipment donated by the United States, it has also provided substantial support to the Ghanaian military in recent months. In May 2025, the United States donated 14 Puma M36 Mk3 armored personnel carriers, valued at a whopping $5.9 million, to enhance the mobility and protection of Ghanaian troops. And this is the second of such donations. These vehicles were also designed for rugged terrains and high-threat environments, significantly boosting operational readiness of Ghana's armed forces. This follows a pattern of US assistance that has left everyone in awe because it includes joint training exercises as well as equipment transfers, all aimed at fortifying Ghana's military against regional instabilities. Such donations are instrumental in Ghana's military rise, providing the tools needed to maintain peace and respond effectively to emerging challenges. The over $1 million worth of equipment falls under the Women Body Armor Quadrilateral Pilot Project, which was initiated in 2023 by Ghana, Zambia, the Netherlands, and the United States. This project was funded jointly by the United States and the Netherlands. The project seeks to improve safety and effectiveness of female peacekeepers in the United Nations operations. For Ghana, participating in these initiatives not only brings advanced equipment, but also fosters international expertise, further elevating Ghana's military standards. This collaboration exemplifies how multilateral efforts are accelerating Ghana's integration of cutting-edge practices, solidifying Ghana's status as a rising military force in Africa. As Ghana's military grows, the emphasis on empowering women is a cornerstone of the strategy. Female peacekeepers bring invaluable perspectives to conflict resolution as well as community building, and equipping them properly is essential for mission success. The specialized armor ensures that Ghana's women can serve with confidence, contributing to the nation's distinguished record in global peacekeeping. The focus also aligns with Ghana's broader military reforms, which prioritizes diversity and innovation to build a more adaptive and inclusive force. The US support in this area is a clear indicator that the alliance is strengthening, recognizing Ghana's potential as a leader in gender-inclusive security practices. Rolf Olston, who is the chief d'affaires of the US military, eloquently captured the essence of the donation during the ceremony. He stated that the gear would protect Ghana's remarkable female peacekeepers as they promote security and stability worldwide. Also, he stressed on the fact that it is of the utmost importance that the personal protection of the frontline soldiers be the world's priority. This equipment safeguards those who protect us all. His words resonated with the growing synergy between the United States and Ghana. The event also served as a moment to honor recent losses within Ghana's armed forces, including the tragic helicopter crash. Olsen extended condolences on behalf of the United States, framing the donation as a tribute to the fallen and a symbol of enduring friendship. Ghana's military advancements, receiving this $1 million worth of equipment, has profound implications for West Africa. With enhanced equipment and training, Ghana can lead in stabilizing conflicts more within the zone and also countering insurgencies, contributing to collective security efforts as well. The rise of Ghana's forces also encourages neighboring countries to invest in their defense. This will potentially create a ripple effect of stability, as that is something Africa is fighting for. On the global stage, this strengthened alliance aligns with the broader US strategies in Africa, promoting peace and prosperity through empowered partnerships like with Ghana. Looking ahead, the trajectory of Ghana's military suggests even greater achievement with ongoing retooling and international partnerships. Ghana's armed forces is set to become a model for Africa's military. The US donations, including the recent body armor and APCs, are pivotal in the journey, signaling a commitment to Ghana's success. The collaboration not only elevates Ghana's defense capabilities, but also deepens the strategic bond between the two nations, promising mutual benefits in an increasingly interconnected world. Ghana receiving this over $1 million worth of military equipment from the United States marks a pivotal chapter in the military ascent of the country, also fortifying US-Ghana relations. From armored vehicles to specialized body armor, these contributions are empowering Ghana to lead in peacekeeping and regional safety. As Ghana's armed forces continue to rise, this partnership stands as a beacon of international cooperation. Share your thoughts on this over $1 million worth of equipment donated by the United States to Ghana. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, smash the like button to inform others on riveting content just like this. Subscribe to this channel and share the content to stay updated on the global security stories. I'll keep you updated on all the progress and developments made by Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.